Hi, today I'll show you how to create styled reels and shorts for upload to YouTube or Instagram. It is absolutely free to use this software. It comes with your Windows and it's called Clipchamp. It does have premium features if you want to buy premium features, but you can create reels and export them absolutely for free. So, first, you should have your video ready and it can be a landscape video, and we're going to make a mobile friendly reel or short from it. So once you open Clipchamp, it will open up on the home page where you will see your previous video creations and also get inspired with the template section. So you can either go to templates and choose something from here, um, or what I'm going to show you is you go straight to gaming and see some of the vertical templates that you can use to create your reels. So I like this template because it has a place for your miniaturized landscape video and zoomed in version for that funny or interesting moment on the bottom. So we'll open this template, and by default it's set to 9 seconds, but you can modify the length of your short to whatever you want. It's very simple. So today, let's pretend I have two videos that I want to turn into reels. So what I'll do is I'll drag them from the folder straight into this media section here. And that's 1 and 2. So now it processed them and it is now ready for insertion into this timeline area. You can see that timeline is set up in layers. You can have more than 3 layers. You can add more stuff here. For example, you can put like shapes if you wanted to add something. Let's say this circle. So it adds a new layer. And now if you go to that timeline, you can see your circle. You can edit it. For example, if you wanted this to be your avatar, you can put it here, right? If you uploaded an image, you can do anything you want. And you can make it shorter so it doesn't appear in the whole video, or you can make it so that it appears across the whole video. We'll delete it for now because this video is about quick, short reels. And go back to my media and select this layer. So this is our layer where you take your horizontal video and just drop it right here to replace, and it will automatically center it, and you can expand it further. And then you take the same video and you drop it into the placeholder for the top, and this shows your full video. It's zoomed out. So it kind of creates this view. You can see the whole screen that was recorded, but also that special uh, moment that you wanted to showcase for your reel in a zoomed in way. So you can stretch, let's say we only want to show 11 seconds, and that's all we wanted to show in this reel. So you can put your marker back to the beginning, and I usually mute one of the layers of the video so you don't get an echo. You can modify the sound here as well. There are different other special effects available here. I'm not going to go over them in this video. This is for quick and dirty, edited, styled reel. And just for the sake of this video, I'll lower the sound so that it's not too loud when we test the video. So you can preview what your reel will look and sound like by playing it. Okay, children, pile up in the van and let's go. And now you can see everything that will be exported for the reel. And we need to change our username, put just gamer tag here. You can change the font. You can even remove it, put something else, whatever you want. You can change the background, change the color of the text, whatever makes sense for your reel. And then all you have to do is export it. So I won't save it to cloud. Let's just save it locally and we'll call it robots having fun just so that I can find it and we'll just save it to my local folder. So it's processing your video. It takes longer or shorter depending on the length of your video. And once you're done, you can go to your downloads folder or wherever you by default download and save your videos. That's where you'll find it. You can also upload directly from YouTube here if you want to connect. I usually do it myself so that I can control the settings. And then remember, I had two videos that I need to make. So my next video is here, and all I do is just drop and replace. It saves the setting, and I can make the video shorter if I want. This clip by itself was already 10 seconds. So I just adjust this layer with the gamer tag to 10 seconds. And now replay my
Whoa,
video.
this room is so full of puzzles. I'm literally getting tingles.
And if everything looks good, I don't want to change anything. All I do is just export and then rename it to puzzles, whatever it might be, default 1080p quality, and that's it. I'm done. So in the span of few minutes, I have two of my shorts, and this is how you can quickly edit your clips into shorts with some styling for free on your computer. Let me know if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.